Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. This is Business and Tech Hub channel. My name is Abdulwahab. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this video, like this video and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified first. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to remove background from any image in less than 1 minute, and it is going to be free. Okay, because I notice some people find it difficult to remove the background of their image before they can actually use it. This is why I want to help you with this so that you won't spend much of your time removing background. Don't spend much of your time a day removing a background. Okay, you can do this in less than 1 minute and it is going to be absolutely free. You don't need any paid software to actually do this. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you step by step in this video on how you can actually do this. Make sure you stick to the very end of this video so that you won't miss any step. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go into my browser right now. Let me show you this step by step. Right now I'm on my browser. Okay, so this is my Chrome. I'm going to use Chrome for this. So if you don't have Chrome, make sure you go to the Play Store and download your own Chrome. Or you can also do it with any of your browser apart from using Opera Mini. You can use Safari, you can also use Firefox. So I'm going to use my Chrome. Okay, so the first website that you're going to go right now is remove.bg. Okay, remove.bg. You're going to type it like this. This is remove.bg. If you can actually see, I've just typed it on my browser right now. So make sure you type it like this. Once you have typed it like this, then you hit go, then you click on enter key for you to actually proceed. You can do this on your Android phone or you can do this on your laptop. Whichever device you have, you can actually use this method to remove the background of your image. Okay, whichever image it is, it will actually work for you and it is absolutely free. Okay, so I will go to this website right now. So I've clicked on enter and it is downloading. Okay, now this is the website that we are going to use, remove.bg. Okay, you can actually see it right now here. Remove image background 100% automatically and free, which means you are not going to pay any dime for this. So, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can go about it. So I'm going to remove image, I'm going to remove background from an image and also add another background in this image, in this video, so that anytime you want to do it, you can actually follow this step by step method that I'm going to use to do it and execute it like that. That way you'll be able to help yourself in your own business without paying much again for others to help you do it. And I'm also going to show you on how you can actually make money with this very knowledge. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the video so that I can be dropping this kind of video. Let me know how you feel in the comment section of this video as well. All right, so now let's go. But before I upload any video, I'm going to upload video. Before I upload any image, I'm going to upload image here. All right, so before I do this, I'm going to show you the image that we are going to use so that at the end you can compare it and see how it look like. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you an image that we are going to use. All right, so right here, this is the image that we are going to remove the background. So whichever background that is in your image is going to work for you. So I want to use this one as an example. This is a dinosaur here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this background here. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background here and see. Then we can also add another background to it for you to actually see that you can actually do this in a matter of 1 minute or less than 1 minute. Then you can also make money with this, in which in the next video I'm also going to show you how you can actually come up and be using these skills to make consistent income for yourself every single day. Okay, so now let's go in right now. Let me remove this background from this image and also add another background on it for you to actually see. Okay, so let's go in right now. All right, so right here I'm on my browser again. So what I'm going to do right now, okay, is for me to click on this upload image. Okay, so if you are watching this right now, you should also click on upload image. So once you click on upload image, it's going to take you to your browser for you to actually select. It's going to take you to your gallery for you to actually select any image that you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on this browse here. If you also have this on your own, you can locate your image here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the browse and search for the image that I want to use. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it here. All right, this is the dinosaur. All right, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to upload automatically, and it's going to remove the background. Okay, so in less than 10 seconds, it's done removing it. Okay, so it's done removing it. So once it's done removing it, the next thing now is you can actually download it from here like this. So if you want to download it, then you click on this download. All right, so click on this download, so it will download it for you. All right, so it's downloading, so and it's done downloaded. Okay, so if you want to see how it look like, you open it. Okay, so let me open it. All right, you can actually see it has opened. Okay, and there is no background on it again. Because anywhere you want to use it now, it will be only this dinosaur that is going to appear there. Okay, so but let's go back. I want to add background to it, so I'm not going to just download it like this. Let me also add background for it on it for you to actually see that you can actually do everything here. All right, so you can do everything right here on this app. All right, so for you to actually do that, so what you are going to do is for you to actually click on this edit here. Okay, so once you click on edit, all right, so it's going to come to this area. So if it is here, you can select any background of your choice. Okay, so you will have numerous background here. You can select any one of your choice. All right, so now let me just pick one for you to actually see. You can actually see. All right, so anyone you want to choose, okay, you can actually see. So once you are done, if you have chosen anyone you like, then the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this download button at this top right corner here. All right. So, but right now I'm not going to download any one of it. I want to upload another background here and use my own background for you to actually see that you can actually bring in your own background here. Then you upload your own background and remove this image and download it as you like. Okay, which means you can do anything you like here. It's either you bring your image to this area, you remove and use the backgrounds that are here. You choose any one of it that you like and use it, or you bring your own background here after you are done removing the image. Okay, the background from the image, then you upload your own background here and add it to your image. Okay, so I'm going to add my own background here. Okay, so let's scroll back. Now you're going to see upload background here. Okay, you can actually see it here. Click on upload background. Once you click on that upload background, it's going to take you to your own folder again. Then you locate anywhere you have your own background. So I'm going to locate it on my own device. Okay, so you can actually do this with your laptop or your Android or any device that you are using. All right, so here it is. I have my own background I want to use here. You can actually see it here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and it will upload it to this area. You can actually see it's done uploaded. All right, so you can actually see right now I have my own background here and I have just uploaded it. So once you have uploaded it like this, the next thing for you to do is to actually download this right now. So I'm going to click on this button, on this arrow here at the top right corner of my screen here. You are also going to see your own here. All right, so you click on the download icon there. So I've clicked on it and it will ask me, do I want to share this image? If you want to share this image to any of your social media, or you want to share it to someone, or you want to share it to your WhatsApp, then you click on this share. All right, and it will share it directly to anywhere you want it to go. Okay, so but if you don't want to do that and you actually want to have it on your device, then you click on this download. As for me, I want to have it on my device right now because I want to go and use it elsewhere. So I'm going to click on this download image. All right, so once you click on this download image, so it will ask you, do you want to download this? Okay, you click on download. All right, so it's downloading and it's done downloaded. Okay, so let's open it for you to actually see. You click on open here. All right, so once you click on open, it's going to show you this. Can you actually see? In matter of seconds, we have been able to remove background from this image and we added our own background to it. So and you can actually be doing this for yourself, without, so that you won't be wasting time removing or using other software to be removing your background. This one is going to save you a lot of time, and it is also going to save you some money. Okay, all right. So, and it is also going to increase your own business, because there are some background that you need to remove before you use it in your own business. If you cannot do that, it can make your business not to grow. Okay, and I'm also going to teach you in my next video, because I don't want this video to be too long, on how you can actually utilize these skills and be using it to make consistent income. Because even despite that it is just a 1 minute or 2 minutes work, there are some people who still don't have time, or they can have hundreds of images that they want to remove. With this app, you can remove up to 100 images at once. Okay, you can remove the background from the 100 images at a spot. Okay, without, so that you won't be coming here to come and remove one after the other. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to show you all this step by step. But if you also want me to record the video as soon as possible, as fast as it can be, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section of this video. Let me know if you want me to do that. Okay, so also subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video like this, then you will be notified first that, okay, Business and Tech Hub channel has just uploaded a new video. That way you'll be able to come here and watch. Then with that, you'll be able to move your business to the next level. So I remain Abdul Wahab, and this is Business and Tech Hub channel. See you in the next video.